Welcome to OneDeck. I'm Jack Fitzgerald, founder and creator of the OneDeck product. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the steps that we take to create recycled feedstock and convert that into a world-class decking product. Our mission is simple. We created OneDeck to develop a system which is not only technologically advanced, but it's a way of utilizing tens of thousands of tons of recycled PVC that was destined to landfill. Over the past decade, we've been working with various different technologies and developing our own technology in collaboration with CSIRO and our parent company, Think Polymer Technologies, to create a product which is not only strong and durable, but it utilizes so many different materials such as recycled blister pack, PVC pipe, cladding, and even window profile. Sustainability and innovation is at the key of everything that we develop. And what you'll see over the next few steps is the process that we take to create a world-class product which is basically revolutionizing the recycling industry. As you can see in the two sample pots there, we've got two different grades of PVC. So the PVC comes to us in various forms such as pipe, window profile, and electrical conduit. That material gets sorted and then reduced in size down to 5 millimeters, which you can see in that first pot. What happens after that is we put it through a micronizer where we reduce the particle size even further and blend that in a homogeneous blend, which enables us to put that through our analyzer. And what our analyzer does is it analyzes key attributes of that material, such as impact strength, tensile strength, bulk density, along with expansion and contraction of the finished product. And what this enables us to do is not only recycle PVC that was destined to landfill, and traditionally recycling is downcycling from a high quality product into a lesser quality product, but what we are able to do that we're so proud of is actually upcycle that material. So we're turning disparate sources of waste into a high quality building material, which is what you can see in OneDeck. Once the material's been dosed and tested in our laboratory, it goes through the extrusion process. So that material gets conveyed up into the extruder, which has two big screws that mix and homogenize the material and push it through a die head. So think of a really big meat mincer that's heated. It gets pushed through the die head, and over the outside we actually cap it with our proprietary capping technology that holds the color, provides unbelievable slip resistance, and most importantly, UV resistance. The history of our parent company, Think Manufacturing, starts with PVC fencing that we developed around about 25 years ago. So we've got a lot of experience in making recycled material handle the harsh outdoor conditions. One other really important thing about extruding the OneDeck product ourselves is we can actually customize the lengths for you. So if you have a deck that's 7.6 meters long, we can actually make you a 7.6 meter long board. And that takes away a lot of waste and a lot of hassle, making it ultimately easier for designers to have that clean, unobstructed look, and simple for installers because they don't have to worry about joins. At the heart of the innovative design of the OneDeck product is the SnapDeck clip, and we manufacture that ourselves in our own factory. The design of SnapDeck was really around making a deck board that can be easily installed in any different scenario with one system. So it's one board, which is your start board, end board, fascia board, or finishing board that can be installed in every configuration possible by utilizing the SnapDeck. And how that works is the SnapDeck interlocks into each other. Then if you need to finish it at one end of the decking run, you can snap it, and then you've just got an individual piece like that, which can then be used for your fascia board, and it just clips straight in to the grooves underneath the decking product. It's that simple. The capping layer of the OneDeck product utilizes near-infrared reflective technology, which reflects the NIR spectrum of heat, which is responsible for heating up a substrate. Coupled with our dynamic ventilation chambers, that also enables air to flow through the product, further suppressing any of the heat that could have been absorbed. And what this means for you is with our darker colors especially, the product's a lot cooler to walk on underfoot, and also it suppresses a lot of expansion and contraction that you can see with some of the other products available on the market. Because the product's made with PVC with no fillers, it doesn't absorb any moisture, meaning it works perfectly in wet areas. And also, it doesn't need any gap underneath, no ventilation, so it can be installed as low as you want on the substrate. It can even be installed directly on top of concrete. What you can see in front of you is a sample of 8 different colours of the OneDeck board. These boards aren't just a decking board, they're a complete rethink of sustainable manufacturing and sustainable building. Thanks for coming on this journey with me and looking at why OneDeck is so different to any other product that you've seen. When you're installing OneDeck, you're helping support Australian jobs, the Australian economy, diverting thousands of tonnes from landfill. And most importantly, this product's built for bushfire zones. It's got a commercial slip rating. It is probably one of the best products available globally, and we're so proud that this is made on the Bellarine Peninsula in Port Arlington, Victoria, Australia.